children. I hope you all are doing good. Stay home, stay safe, and today we are going to learn some basic things in abacus. So this is abacus kit. I hope you all know about this. So this is called a frame of the abacus instrument. This is the abacus instrument. So this is called a frame of the instrument. So what is the name of this? This is called a frame of the instrument. Okay. Here we are seeing some beads, right? These are called beads. What is the name of this? This is called a beads. So here we are having 4 beads, and this we are having only 1 bead. What is the meaning of this? Okay, nothing big. So these are called upper beads. What is this? These are called upper beads. The value of upper bead is 5. If I move this, the value of this upper bead is 5. Okay. Now what is this? These are called lower beads. What is the name of this? These are called lower beads. The value of each lower bead is 1. Okay. If I move 1 bead means I am moving 1. I am adding 1. Okay. Next we have to use only 2 fingers for this. One is your forefinger, another one is your thumb finger. Okay. So here if you move this, which means you are adding. So if I move it downwards means I am subtracting. Okay. So this is for adding and this is for subtracting. Okay. Here if you bring it here means you are adding. If you take this out means you are subtracting. Okay. This is the basic things you have to learn about the abacus instrument. So this is the abacus instrument. This is called a frame of the abacus instruments. Then these are called upper beads and these are called lower beads and these are called rods. Okay. Here is a dots. Can you see these dots? Okay. What is the purpose of this dots means? You have to start your calculation from here, which means this the place value of this dot is ones. Okay. You know place values, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. So you have to start your calculation from this dot line only. So this one is ones and then tens and then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. Okay. So you have to start from this dot line only. Okay. And today we are going to see some basic sums. First we are going to do additions. Okay. See the first sum. Question number 1. Sum is 3. You have to add 3 and then 1, right? Okay. So I am going to add 3. So I am going to add 3. I am using the dotted line. So I am adding 3. Okay. Then what is the next one? 1. You have to add 1. So if you add 1, what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of the lower bead is 1. So that the answer is 4. Okay. So what is the answer? The answer is 4. Okay. Okay. After solving the sums, the main rule is you have to set this instrument to 0. Okay. Set 0 is the important thing. So all the beads, any beads should not touch this line. So you have to move this and we are going to solve next sum, which is 2 and 1. I already told you this is addition. So first you have to add 2. Okay. I am adding 2 and then 1. So I am adding 1. Now what is the answer? Yeah, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Next sum. Here also we are going to add first one. Before that we have to set it at 0 and then you have to add 2. So 1, 2, 2 and then again 2. So 2. So 2 plus 2, which means 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. And the next sum, here we are having 3 numbers. We are going to add 3 numbers to get the answer. So first one is 2. So I am adding 2. Okay. and then 1, so 1, again 1, so 1. Now what's the answer? Yeah, it's 4. Good. And next question, 0, then you have to add 1 and then 2 and then 1. Now what's the answer? Yeah, it's also 4. Good. And the last question, please try it by yourself. So you have to add 1 and then 1, at last it is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. Is it easy for you? Okay, please try it out by yourself. Next, we are going to see some basic sums in subtraction. So we are going to see some basic sums in subtraction. How to subtract using your abacus instrument. Okay. Okay. The first question is 2. You have to add. If there is no any symbols means you have to add, right? Okay. Now I am adding 2. Okay. Then 1 is having a minus sign, which means we have to subtract. So I am going to subtract 1 from this 2. If you subtract 1 from this 2, what will be the answer? Yeah, here 1 is the answer. Okay. Next question, 3. Here we do not have any symbols, so it is positive 3, which means we have to add 3. So 1, 2, 3. I am adding 3. From that 3 we have to subtract. Minus means subtract. We have to subtract 2 from it. So I am subtracting 2 from it. Now what's the answer? Yeah, it's also 1. Good. And the next sum, I am going to add 3. Okay, I am going to add 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. From this we have to subtract, what's this? It's also 3. So we have to subtract this 3. Now what's the answer? Do we have any beats? No, which means the answer is 0. Okay. And the next one, here we are going to solve 3 numbers. So first one is 2. You have to add 2. So I am adding 2. And again you have to add 2. So I am adding 2. From this you have to subtract 1. You have to subtract 1. So I am subtracting 1, which means what's the answer? 3. Yeah, good. Okay. Next sum. See here the given number is 4. So I am going to add this 4. Okay. And then I am going to subtract 3 from it. So I have added 4. I am going to subtract 3 from it. So I am subtracting 3 and then again I have to add 1. So I am adding 1. Now what's the answer? Yeah, it's 2. At last sum, see what's here? 4. So we have to add 4. I have added. And then what is here? Minus 4, which means we have to subtract this 4 from here. Okay. Now what's the answer? It's nothing. After that we have to add this 3. So I am going to add this 3. So now what's the answer? Yeah, it's 3. I hope you all understood the class. So please try it out in your home using your abacus instrument. We will discuss next level in the next session. Thank you.